So this is UB Ports. This is something I was using this for a while to play with, but um, it's good. I think we need to give the developers a lot of respect on this one. It's pretty good, and if so this is a Google Pixel XL, Google Pixel XL. So it's really good. There's some things that bother me about how they chose to do the terminal, and basically I got to put my password here. How they chose to deploy some of the things, it doesn't work as well as I hoped. Like, for example, to load open the terminal here, if I was to type like Python 3 in here, I've got access to a console. It needs to be updated a little bit, and I got GCC there as well. But some of the things are locked down a little bit. But again, it's there's workarounds for it all. But one of the things that I wish they had was like a direct API to, to the notification systems inside here, and they kind of do, but you got to work for it a little bit. But that to be said, if you don't know about UB Ports, I'm a big supporter of it. I think it's good stuff. I think they need to get more app developers. But the coolest thing about UB Ports is what I'm about to show you. So we're going to fire up Waydroid. And Waydroid basically allows you to run Android alongside UB Ports. And this is why it's definitely a bit of a win for me, because you're technically free of Google's ARM here, and you're kind of a Linux based system, but you're completely with a fluent version of Android that runs inside the phone. So I can like minimize it's kind of strange. So there's Android, and there's back to the shell. But the crazy thing is how good it works. There's some resolution issues, but those are all on my end, actually. That's not anything to do with this. But super fluid, super quick. I definitely would get one if you're interested in development. Having this phone around has been really helpful for me to do tinkering and seeing what's possible. But that's the best part of UB Ports. So anyways, wanted to show you guys that.